Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Replacing fuel injectors requires a process called injector coding. This tells your car's computer exactly how much fuel each new injector sprays. Every injector is slightly different from the factory. The computer needs a specific code to work right. Look at the top of your new injectors. You will see a long string of numbers and letters. This is the calibration code. Write these codes down carefully. Note which cylinder each injector goes into. You need a high-quality scan tool for this job. A basic code reader usually will not work. Make sure it has bidirectional control. Plug the tool into the OBD-II port under your dashboard. Turn your key to the on position. Do not start the engine yet. Open the Special Functions menu on your scan tool. Look for Injector Coding or Write IMA. Select the cylinder you want to update. Type in the code you wrote down earlier. Check for typos before you hit save. Repeat this for every new injector. Once you finish, the tool will confirm the update. Turn the car off for 1 minute. This lets the computer save the data. Now you can start the engine. Listen for a smooth idle. The computer will now adjust the fuel trim perfectly. Your engine will run better and save gas. Proper coding prevents engine damage. It also stops check engine lights from coming on. This is a vital step for modern diesel and direct injection gasoline engines. It ensures your vehicle meets emission standards and maintains peak performance for many miles. This simple procedure makes sure your car stays reliable, safe, and efficient.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.